Welcome to Scriptures Step by Step. We journey through the Bible one verse at a time. So far in Genesis chapter 1, God created the heavens and the earth. He brought light and separated it from darkness, thus establishing the first day. Today, we will focus on Genesis chapter 1 verse 6. Have you ever wondered why the Bible talks about the sky and the waters above? What does this tell us about God's power, order, and control? In today's video, we will read Genesis chapter 1 verse 6, explain its meaning, discover what it reveals about God, and apply it to our lives. We'll finish with a brief recap and a simple prayer. Now, let's read the verse together. Genesis chapter 1 verse 6 says, "And God said, Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters." This is a profound moment in the creation story. We are transitioning from light and time to the ordering of the sky and the waters around us. Now, let's dive into the basic meaning behind this verse. When the Bible mentions firmament, it refers to the expanse of sky above us. The term might sound strange, but it simply means the open space we enjoy every day. The waters include the seas and oceans below, and the clouds and moisture above. God is creating a spacious area in the middle of these waters. This action separates the waters below from those above. In short, God spoke and made the sky, separating the waters below from the waters above. This summary captures the essence of this verse. Now, let's go deeper into what this verse reveals about God. We notice it begins with, "And God said." This shows us that God creates through His words. His voice carries power. Prior to this moment, the world was formless and covered in chaotic waters. Now, God is bringing order, providing structure amidst the chaos. Separating the waters creates a space for life, air to breathe, clouds to produce rain, and seas that stay within their boundaries. In ancient times, people gazed at the sky and viewed it as a strong structure, held in place by God's will. This underlines a key focus: God is wise, powerful, and intentional as He organizes creation. So, how does Genesis chapter 1 verse 6 connect to our lives today? Many of us feel overwhelmed, like our lives are chaotic or flooded with problems. This verse can be a comforting reminder. Just as God stepped into chaos and imposed order during creation, He can do the same in our lives. Think about someone who feels overwhelmed by their schedule. They might ask God for wisdom, seeking healthy boundaries and priorities. Or imagine someone struggling with heavy emotions, feeling like they are drowning. They can ask God for peace and clarity, trusting that He knows how to separate and arrange everything in their hearts. Look up at the sky. It's a daily reminder that God remains in control. He can create order in your heart and circumstances. Let's quickly discuss the importance of Genesis chapter 1 verse 6 in the broader creation story. This verse highlights God's work in shaping an environment fit for life. Through Genesis chapter 1, God continues organizing, separating light from darkness, waters from waters, and land from sea. He is a God of order and boundaries. This shows He cares not just about grand miracles but also about structure, limits, and our everyday lives. To recap, Genesis chapter 1 verse 6 reveals God speaking again, creating the firmament, and dividing the waters above from the waters below. This act of separation brings order and makes space for life. This shows us a powerful, wise God, capable of bringing order even into our chaotic worlds. Let's say a simple prayer together. Repeat after me. Dear God, thank you for your creation and the sky above. Please bring order, peace, and boundaries into every flooded area of my life. Thank you for joining me today in this journey through Genesis chapter 1 verse 6. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Join me next time as we continue exploring verse by verse through Genesis chapter 1.